What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, man. I hope y'all doing good. Hope y'all blessed. Hope y'all staying prayed up, man. And today we're doing something a little different. As you can see, I'm pulling in a parking garage, man. Today I'm just gonna take y'all on a POV drive. Yeah. So I'm picking up some breakfast, dropping it off to my fiance, man, and yeah. Just thought I'd do a little POV drive. I started it late, but it is what it is. I didn't think I'd doing it until now, so yeah. Pick up some oak and bean and some Burger King breakfast, because she loves Burger King breakfast. So found me a little spot. Let's do this thing, you know what I'm saying? Nice upfront parking spot. Boom. Probably gonna leave the car running because the order should be ready by now, so let's go. Got that thing. I don't know if I want to record while we in here, but they probably think it's a little weird, but let's see. I might see y'all in a second. Got the order. Out to the charger. So I'm thinking about the charger, man. I want to do more stuff to it, man, but I'll be busy with life, right? Let me put this up here. Going wide mode so y'all can see everything. Hold on, y'all. Which one is it behind? Aha, light ice. Y'all see it, right? Yeah, she got dulce de leche. Yes, sir. So now, just gonna pick up, turn this heat off, man. Go pick up some Burger King so she can get some food. And yeah, let's see, man. I gotta see where I'm going though first. Hold on. All right, y'all, we off. I made that turn horrible, I ain't gonna lie to you. But it is tight turn, a little bit. Dang. Should nobody coming from that way. Oh, Mr. Tesla, man. Oak and bean, y'all. It'd be fire. Oh, I didn't even know they had a dulce de leche option, man. I probably would have asked for it. I got a little blueberry with cinnamon in it. Man, and it's, what time is it? Almost 9 in the morning. I usually don't be up at this time, man, to be honest with you. But, yeah. Tired. It is, man. Let's take a sip of this drink, though. Cheers, y'all. Oh, yeah, it's fire. Top of the morning to y'all, though. Look at this guy. Why is this guy breaking? Y'all see that? Man, it's tweaking. Got this big dually in front of us. Alright, might as well just do this. I gotta turn left soon anyway. What's with this man? I'm constantly breaking, bro. I gotta find some way to strap y'all up so I can just use both hands. I do got something that goes on my chest, but I don't know, it's not that high though. I'm like at awkward height because I'm tall, so I can't put it on my head because then y'all be up here type. When I used to have a GoPro, so yeah, that's a little awkward. I would need like a mouthpiece, but I don't have a GoPro no more, and then the phone would be crazy. But yeah. All right, y'all. So I got a question for y'all, right? Do y'all be eating in the morning, coffee and anything like that, or do y'all be like me and just kind of like don't want to eat in the morning? I don't know why my body operates like that, but it do. And if y'all do have coffee or food or whatever, what do y'all eat and drink in the morning? Sometimes I'll be getting breakfast sandwiches if I'm actually hungry, or cereal if I'm just chilling at home. But if I'm out, breakfast sandwich like McGriddle or something like that, or coffee, as y'all can see. Dude, I need to clean this out of my car. But yeah, y'all, what do y'all be eating or drinking in the morning, or do y'all even eat or drink in the morning? At Christina's. Yeah, man. Just early morning on a Monday. I'm not looking forward to going to work. Oh man, I'm just tired. I was going to chill today. About like a week or two. I think it's 2 weeks from now. Yeah. My birthday is gonna be on a Monday on the 23rd, so I got that day off. I'm not bringing my butt into work. That's another question for y'all, man. Do y'all work on y'all birthdays? Do y'all take y'all birthdays off, or what do y'all do? Me, it's kind of like, I don't know. Sometimes I'll be working on my birthday, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I just be wanting to chill, so. But yeah, put in the comments down below whether y'all work for y'all birthdays or work on y'all birthdays. I cannot talk. Do y'all work on y'all birthdays, and what do you guys eat for breakfast if you do have breakfast? Starbucks right there. I haven't been to Starbucks in a minute. I feel like I used to like Starbucks a lot. And then I went to Dunkin'. Then I kind of went back to Starbucks, but then I stayed with Dunkin'. I ain't gonna lie. Even though I got this coffee, different coffee. Should I merge? I'm gonna merge. Even though I like that different coffee, I really like when it comes to like the bigger companies and stuff, I think Dunkin' for me. I feel like there's just more I can customize. Like, yeah, I can do that with Starbucks, but I don't know. Starbucks just don't hit to me like that no more. My stomach didn't wake up the best today, so I don't know what the coffee gonna do to me. Hopefully it don't do nothing crazy. I shouldn't even be drinking it right now. Cause like I told y'all, sometimes I just don't be eating in the morning. Sometimes my stomach just not hungry or whatever. Bro, all these reds, man. I keep getting reds. Come on, man. I haven't been down this way in a minute. I could have punched it around this truck, but I ain't gonna do too much. Maybe get in front of this GMC real quick. Go to X7. I think the X7 is decent. See, is the X7 gonna make some moves, or? Bro, I don't get people that go in the next lane to get around somebody basically, and they just go the same speed. Like, what was the point of it? Bro, you barely going. Tired. crazy close to the curves and streets, man. Get around this X7. Nice. I swear, why is it whenever I'm on my way somewhere, the street I'm on has more traffic than the street going in the opposite direction? That's so weird. I'm gonna get back over. Sorry, Kia. Man, I should have took a picture out in front of the Oaken Bean. I'm tweaking. That could have been my thumbnail. I don't know. I guess I'll just take it in front of the Burger King. Dude, I hate the trucks with that split down the shut up. I know somebody's right there. I hate trucks with the split in the tailgate, man. I know it's like for work purposes, but I don't know, it looks so ugly to me because it's like so off-centered. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. Here we go, hitting all these red lights again. Who's honking? I ain't honking at you, my brother. You wasn't going. Yeah, we just chilling. I ain't got the most energy today, y'all, because yeah, I woke up early. I ain't a morning person at all. Try to do a pull. Car definitely stays louder now after I pulled that fuse. And I don't even know if it actually would cause a check engine light because I already been had one. Yeah. To those people, go ahead, say your jokes. I know. The car still drives fine. It ain't nothing with the engine. Already been said a million times. It's the EVAP system. It is what it is. Don't care. This car just might be a lemon. I don't know. Man, I still gotta place the order. It is what it is. Gonna pull up to the Burger King though. Bit of noise. Bro, this man done let this truck through. Bro, that's not safe. What if the car right here just kept on going? Am I good? Yep. Burger King. Not the biggest fan of Burger King. They alright. I don't know how I'm gonna get my thumbnail. I should have got a thumbnail at the coffee shop, bro. I'm too weak. Should I take it? Nah, let him go. right, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in a second. I gotta put the order in. That placed the order. I don't know where I'm gonna get. I'll probably go right here. I don't know where I'm gonna get my thumbnail. This will be a good spot right here. I'm gonna have people looking at me probably like, what the hell? This man's posted up in front of a Burger King. But it is what it is. Let's see. What the? Okay. Alright, so bag is secured. I was gonna take a picture, but there's a car right there that's gonna be awkward. But yeah, I got it. Let me see. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna go back to Oak and Bean or something, because this video is probably gonna come out later. So I see you looking, my guy. I saw you looking, my guy. But yeah, I'm gonna just get the thumbnail later, man. I don't feel like that's awkward. I'm antisocial. Not really, but I am. But yeah, man, I think that's gonna be the end of this video. Once again, I thank y'all for tuning in. I hope y'all still blessed. I hope y'all praying. You know, without God, Jesus Christ, we couldn't do anything in this life, man. Wouldn't be able to afford these drinks or food or whatever. This car, the guy's getting honked at. He wouldn't be able to afford that horn to honk at him if it wasn't for Jesus. And yes, sir. So once again, I love y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in. See y'all on the next one.